Hi, Bestie! Unexpectedly, may naabutan nga kaming Korean festival event dito sa SM Baguio. And honestly, sobrang saya niya kahit super init at daming tao. Pagpasok pa lang namin, ang dami ng booths, freebies, games, and Korean-related activities everywhere. Para talaga siyang mini Korea experience dito sa Baguio. Most of the booths were super easy lang salihan. Usually, follow mo lang yung social media pages nila or answer a quick survey, then may freebies ka na kaagad. Kaya syempre, game na game kami dyan. May isang booth pa nga na may memory game. Kailangan mo lang mag-match ng pictures within 30 seconds. And kapag nakamatch ka, may prize ka rin. Nakakatuwa kasi ang simple lang pero ang daming tao na nag-enjoy. Then we also visited the Korean Tourism Organization booth. I think KTO Manila yon. We followed their socials and got free postcards and cute keychains. Honestly, nakakatuwa yung mga ganitong small souvenirs, especially if mahilig ka sa travel and Korean culture. May naabutan din kaming Korean chef na nagtuturo ng gimbap. Hindi na kami masyadong nakapag-stay kasi sobrang daming tao na that time. But it was still nice seeing authentic Korean food demos live. At hindi na nga rin namin pinalagpas, one of my favorite parts talaga was the hanbok experience. Kami ni tita, we tried wearing hanbok for pictures and videos and grabe parang nasa Korea lang ang few minutes mo. Ang cute nung experience, especially if mahilig kang mag-take ng aesthetic photos. And before leaving, may K-beauty booth din kaming nadaanan. Follow lang ulit ng social media accounts nila, then may free products na kaagad. We chose the probiotics instead of the hangover drink kasi hindi naman kami drinkers. Dito na nga pala itong napuntahan namin and last day nila nung Mother's Day. Overall, sobrang fun niyang random experience. Hindi talaga namin in-expect na may ganung event sa Baguio that day. So parang bonus adventure na rin siya during our trip. O di ba? Umakyat lang kami ng Baguio for Mother's Day treat pero meron pang ang sideline na Korean festival. Would you try this if may ganitong event ulit sa Baguio?